Related race tutorial video by Monica, Brendan, and Allayah. We had question number 10. An observer stands 2,400 feet away from a launch pad to observe a rocket launch. The rocket blasts off and maintains a velocity of 200 feet per second. Assume the scenario can be modeled as a right triangle. How fast is the observer to rocket distance changing when the rocket is 700 feet from the ground?
Our known equation is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, because for this problem we have to use Pythagorean theorem. Our given is a equals 700 feet, dA over dt equals 200 feet per second, and b equals 2,400 feet. We have to find side c, which is a hypotenuse, and dc over dt. In the problem, we have a right triangle and our sides A, B, and C. Here we did the Pythagorean theorem. A is 700 squared plus B 2,400 squared equals C squared, because we have to find C, which we found is 2,500. After finishing and finding C, we have to find dC over dt, and in order to do that, we have to use the equation of 2a, and then multiplying dA over dt plus 2b multiplying dB over dt equals 2c multiplying dC by dt. 2 times 700 and 200 for A plus 2 times 2,400 times 0 for B equals 2 times 2,500 times dC over dt, which we have to find. After doing that equation, we have 1,400,000 equals 2,500 times dC over dt. We have to divide 2,500 on both sides, and after doing that, we find that dC over dt equals 56 feet per second.
So then we have our question. Our question was, the cube side increases at 4 feet per second. At a certain instant, the side of the cube is 20 feet. What is the rate of change of the volume of the cube at that instant?
So our known, which is the rate of the side, dx over dt, which is 4 feet per second, and one of the side, and the instant we're looking for the volume at is 20 feet for the side. So our given is the area for the volume of the cube, which is v equals x cubed, and we have to find dv over dt. So here's our cube with the 20 feet for one side, and our rate is 4 feet per second. So we take the derivative of our formula, which gives us dv over dt equals 3x squared dx over dt. If we plug in 20 for x and 4 for dx over dt, we will get 4,800 feet cubed per second.